An Victor Nyagudi, Ward Ken Nyagudi. Koro abro penjo ni ung'won na matin. Nikech dolo kange maber kaka baba mauma. Koro akwayo ni ung'won na awacha gi Kizungu. Sawa. Sawa. Erokamano. My father, I want to share a short story about my father and his determination. So if you visited him at his current home, you know there's a place where there's so much mud and you can't pass through easily. So there was a time we were coming home from somewhere, I can't remember where, and the car got stuck in the mud. And we were going left and right. I'm telling him, there's no way you're passing here. And why don't we just find another way to get back home? But he said to me, no, we're going to find a way through this and we'll get to the house. And so he tried. The car started swerving to the left, to the right, nothing. He tried going to this side of the road, started swerving, sliding, nothing. But eventually, after trying multiple times, he found a small patch of grass on the left side of the road, and we were able to pass through, and we made it back to the house. When I was younger, my father I used to wonder most of the time what he was doing when he was away. And he told me the story that he only had one pair of shoes, and he would use that pair of shoes. He would walk everywhere looking for work so we could have something to eat. And when these shoes had holes in them, he would take some newspaper or a piece of paper and slide it inside the shoes so he can still walk to where he was going to look for work. And even when he trained and the water came into his shoes, he still went to work to make sure that we had something to eat and a place to stay. So, Your Excellency, you've shown us that this man was a great friend of yours, and I want to thank you personally for taking the time out of your busy schedule to visit us, and you've helped us so much during these tough times. I also want to thank the committee in Nairobi and the people of Kisumu, and even here in Game, who have helped us through this tough time and have helped us arrive to this point where we are about to lay my father to rest. Thank you all, and agoero kamano.
Thank you. Strong.
Jogem kara nuwuonda ni ok winj Kisungu. Kano wacho ni mondo awach gi dholuo kara Kizungu winjo. Koro adwaro ni mondo aluong Yora miluongo ni Winnie.
We want to invite her up here with a song. Jowete Yeso Paki. Winnie bilo mondo owuo. To kapok obiro tadwana alkwau mondo wachung waduto mondo wahona this day kawa miyogi support.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Tingna badi malo kama. O Yesu kibiro tibadu endo mosiko. Pama lueti aluongi Yesu kibiro tibadu endo mosiko. Kawono baba kibiro tobedu endo mosiko. Hapaki yawe kibiro tobedu endo mosiko. Dachino ramo kibiro tobedu endo mosiko. Aluongi bedu endo mosiko. Jakondo mula bedu endo mosiko. Kilimo ati bedu endo mosiko. Masicha bedu endo mosiko. Kawelo leo bedu endo mosiko. Bedu endo mosiko.
Thank you.
Malomba, ngima polo lomba. Ngima lomba, ngima polo lomba.
Ewanu watio nengima
anwala yanya.
Ewanu watio
yanya nikechaero Yesu.
Ewanu watio nengima
Tahero jalo.
Ewanu watio
Tahero Yesu nikechiando bona.
Ewanu watio nengima
natine ruoda.
Ewanu watio
nikechiando wara.
Ewanu watio nengima
Tongima